Yo. First order of the day is a McDonald's, $10 going 4.5 miles.
I got you. All right, second window, please. Thank you.
Yep. I've got a banging headache. I barely slept at all last night. So today is not my day already. One AB?
Is that Uber?
Yes.
I need a phone. I don't know.
One AB?
Oh, 180? Okay, that's all right. Thank you.
I already took the picture. Jesus Christ. Next order up is for Angels. This is $7 going 2.5 miles. Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
All right. Can I get a glazed twist? And I'm picking it up for.
There you go. Don't worry about it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Next order just came in. This is for Chick-fil-A. $14 going 9 miles. Next order up is Seize the Bagel. $9 going 4 miles. Next up, we've got a stacked Black Rock coffee. This is $12.50 going 4.5 miles.
I'm actually ready. I'm just gonna write a B on this one. B for burrito, so you can just differentiate between
Sounds
the
bagel.
two. Oh, that's not great.
Next order up is for Kitchen Table Cafe. This is $7 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Can I get some salt?
Next order up is for Nayeli's Place. $10 and some change going 5.5 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up is a Starbucks. $7.75 going 2 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh wow. Total ended up being $9.75 for that one. Easy money. Next up is a stack. It looks like shop and deliver for alcohol and an IHOP. $20 going just under 10 miles. Surely their IHOP order is ready now. Thank you. Well, I wasn't expecting this, but apparently it's snowing today.
Your destination is on the right.
What does that say? And then just scribble on that line for me. Next up is McDonald's, $8.25, going 3.5 miles.
Team?
Yep.
You have a great day.
Oh, cool. Total ended up being $9.61 for that one. Next up is a Starbucks, $7, going 2.5 miles.
Hello. How can I help you? Thank you.
Finally got my next order. This is for Jack in the Box, $9, going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order finally came in. This is for Popeyes, $7.75, going 4 miles. Go for Jesus.
Right here. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Right.
Yes. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good one. All right, I think I'm just gonna call it here. It's slowed down considerably in the past like hour or two, so I'm just gonna go home. Current time is 12:01. Current total is 129, and I think I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so like 133-ish. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.